नमस्कार। हिस्ट्री 12th क्लास। नाम जगदीश कुमार, क्वालिफिकेशन MA BEd, डिजिग्नेशन लेक्चर इन हिस्ट्री, स्कूल HSS नागसैनी, डिस्ट्रिक्ट। थीम्स इन इंडियन हिस्ट्री पार्ट 3rd 13वां यूनिट है ये। महात्मा गांधी थ्रू कंटेम्प्रेरी आइज इस यूनिट का क्वेश्चन है नोइंग गांधी जी। तो व्हाट डू प्राइवेट लेटर्स एंड ऑटोबायोग्राफी टेल अस अबाउट एन इंडिविजुअल। तो प्राइवेट लेटर और ऑटोबायोग्राफी गांधी जी के बारे में क्या बताते हैं। हाउ आर दीज सोर्सेज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द अदर ऑफिशियल अकाउंट्स। तो ये क्वेश्चन है इस यूनिट का। एक्सप्लेन 3 different kinds of sources through which we came to know about Gandhiji. Give any 2 problems faced by while interpreting them. The name of Mahatma Gandhi will be written in golden letters in the history of modern India. Modern history में उसका नाम golden letter में लिखा जाएगा। India because of his invaluable contribution the national freedom movement. He is intrinsically counted among the greatest personalities of the world. There are many sources to know about Gandhiji in detail. A brief description of these available sources is given here below. Public voice and private scripts. A great sources know Mahatma Gandhi are writing speech in his contemporaries, which include both his associates as well as advisories. While reading these articles or speeches, we must keep in mind distinguish between those which were meant for the public, which were not meant for them. We must find out real objective behind what was said or written. For example, speeches acquainted us with the public thoughts of the speaker, but on the other hand, private letters of a person give us glimpses of his private thoughts. Besides, these letters express anger, aspiration, and discontentment and joy of the writer. Here or must remember, many letters are not merely personal. They are sometimes meant for the public. कुछ लेटर पर्सनल नहीं थे, ज़्यादातर पब्लिक के ही भलाई के लिए थे, आज़ादी के बारे में। Such letters are written very carefully. A special attention is given to their language because the writer is always aware that his letter may one day be published. मतलब चाहते थे कि ये पब्लिश्ड होने चाहिए. सो मेनी पीपल डू नॉट एक्सप्रेस देयर व्यूज एंड ओपिनियंस फ्रीली इवन इन देयर पर्सनल लेटर्स. महात्मा गांधी रेगुलरली यूज टू पब्लिश द लेटर दैट ही रिसीव्ड फ्रॉम अदर पीपल. वो पब्लिश करता था, जो रिसीव्ड करता था लेटर दूसरे लोगों से, इन हिज जर्नल एंटाइटल्ड हरिजन जवाहरलाल Nehru, and he had published collection of his letter under a title of bunch of old letters. A bunch of old letters में उसके वो जो लेटर थे वो published हुए. In it he had included all the letters that he had received during the Indian national movement. तो Indian national movement के बारे में लेटर थे. Forming a picture autobiography make a valuable contribution in the exploring the past. तो जो इसकी ऑटोबायोग्राफी थी उसमें पास्ट के बारे में पता लगता है गांधी जी ने क्या क्या लिखा था. दे हैव ए डिटेल्ड अमाउंट ऑफ ह्यूमंस. तो उन्होंने ह्यूमंस के बारे में लिखा है. वाइल रीडिंग दीज ऑटोबायोग्राफीज वी मस्ट बी केयरफुल हाउ वी रीड एंड इंटरप्रेट देम. जनरली दीज ऑटोबायोग्राफीज आर रिटन फ्रॉम मेमोरी. तो दे टेल अस ओनली व्हाट द ऑथर वाज एबल टू रिकलेक्ट और व्हाट ही हैड कंसिडर्ड इम्पॉर्टेंट. किस चीज़ को अहमियत दे रहा था. दे ऑल्सो टेल अस दैट ही इंटेंडेड टू रिकलेक्ट हाउ यू वांटेड आर प्रेजेंट हिमसेल्फ इन हिज लाइफ बिफोर अदर्स. इन रियलिटी बाय राइटिंग एन ऑटोबायोग्राफी ए पर्सन फ्रेम्स ए पिक्चर बाय ऑफ हिमसेल्फ इन हिज माइंड ऑफ हिज रीडर्स. सो वी मस्ट keep 2 points always in our minds while reading these autobiographies. First of all, we must try to find out what the author wants to conceal from us. तो जो ऑथर जो था वो क्या हमें दिखाना चाहता था. वी मस्ट सी व्हाट ही डज नॉट इंटेंड टू टेल अस. सेकंड, जो हमें बता नहीं रहा था. सेकंडली, वी मस्ट ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड द रीजन फॉर हिज विलफुल एंड अनराइटिंग एक्ट्स ऑफ साइलेंस. तीसरा है थ्रू पुलिस. The colonial rulers always kept close tabs on these whom they considered their opponents of critics. आप critics क्या कहते हैं. From this point of view, all government records are a visual sources of our study. तो उसमें visual records भी थे गवर्नमेंट के. In those time, the letters and reports written by policemen and other officials, जो लेटर policemen ने लिखे थे या officials थे, वो written उनको सेक्रेट रखा गया था. बट नाउ ऑल दीज डॉक्यूमेंट्स आर अवेलेबल इन आर्शीव्स. The fortnightly report prepared by the Home Department in this regard in the early 20th century has been quite significant. These reports were based on the information gathered by the police officials से जो report आती थी from local areas. So these reports tell us what the higher officials saw or wanted to believe. For example, if you see the fortnightly report of the period when salt march was proceeded ahead, जैसे salt march डांडी मार्च के बारे में लिखा था, you will see that the Home Department was not ready to accept that Mahatma Gandhi and his civil disobedience, meaning Home Department उसको accept नहीं कर रहा civil disobedience को. Movement got an enthusiastic response from the common people, लेकिन common people उसको response दे रही थी, अच्छा समझ रही थी, ठीक कर रही थी. The government reports presented the Dandi March as a drama, और गवर्नमेंट जो है उसका जो ड्रामा के तौर पर शो कर रहे थे, दिखा रहे थे कि एज ये ड्रामा था, एक नाटक था. दे persistently stated that there was no enthusiasm among the people for the Dandi March. From newspapers, the newspapers which were published in English or in other Indian language served an important source of now Gandhi ji in detail. उसके बारे में पता लगता है न्यूज़पेपर से. These newspapers kept a watch on the activities of Gandhi ji. तो उनके एक्टिविटीज़ के बारे में लिख रहे थे न्यूज़पेपर वाले उस टाइम. They also published the news about his activities. So one can assess from these newspapers that what a common thought about Gandhi ji. But all these news published in such newspapers should not be considered on prejudiced. The reason was simple, that the owners of the newspapers had their own political views and perceptions. तो उनके अपने व्यूज़ होते थे गांधी जी के बारे में. Their own perception shaped what was to be published and what color and base was to be added to these reportings. That is why the reporting of the same events differed a lot of the newspaper published from London and different cities in India. No doubt we must examine these reports, but we must be extra cautious before reaching our conclusion on the basis of these news reports. Every statement given in these newspapers cannot be considered true. Most of the statements often went to the fears and anxieties of these officials who had failed in controlling and suppressing the movement. These officials were often anxious and apprehensive about the spread of the particular movement. They did not know if they should arrest Gandhiji or not. They also thought what would be result if Gandhiji was arrested. They also worried how would they control the situation if the people were agitated after the arrest of the Gandhiji. तो इसी के यहीं पर समाप्त होता है. नमस्कार.